Be honest. Does your salary disappear before the month even ends? You get paid, and by the 15th, you're somehow broke, counting down to the next paycheck. Here's the thing. It's not about how much you earn. It's that nobody ever taught you a system to keep it. So today, let's fix that. A simple way to make your salary actually last the whole month. Here in Kenya. First, where does it all go? It's rarely the big things. It's the small, invisible leaks. The daily m-pesa, the impulse buys. The little Fuliza you took, that quietly charges you to borrow your own future salary. Add them up over a month and that's your missing money. You can't fix a leak you can't see, so step 1 is just noticing. Now the fix, and it's simpler than any app. The moment your salary lands, before you spend a single shilling, you split it. Most people do it backwards. They spend first and save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. We flip it. You pay yourself first. Step 1. The day your salary hits, move a set amount straight into savings, your money market fund, your SACCO, anywhere it's harder to touch. Even 10%. Do it first, automatically, like it's a bill, because if you wait until month end, it's already gone. Step 2. Split what's left into 3. Needs, your rent, food, transport. Wants, the fun stuff. And yes, you're allowed some. And a small buffer for emergencies. Keep them separate, in different m-pesa pockets or accounts, so the rent money and the weekend money never get confused. Step 3, the big one. That buffer? It's how you finally escape the loan trap. Most Kenyans borrow a little, repay it next salary, and start the month already behind. The buffer breaks that cycle. Once you have even a few thousand set aside, you stop borrowing your own future. That's real freedom. And quickly, the traps. Don't let your spending grow every time your salary does. That's how people earning more still stay broke. Don't borrow for wants. And don't beat yourself up over one bad month. Just reset next payday. Progress, not perfection. So remember, it's not about earning more, it's about keeping more. Pay yourself first, split the rest, and protect that buffer. If this gave you a system you can actually use, subscribe. We do money, made for Kenya, every week. Next time, we're back to growing it. Catch you there.